Hello and welcome to this Kahoot tutorial, more specifically, how to use Kahoot while distance learning. Students can still use Kahoot even through distance learning by taking their Chromebook and splitting the screen in half. On one half of their screen, they could have their Google Meet session playing, and on the other half of their screen, they could have their Kahoot game board ready. So let's see how that works. So here's an example of the student screen. They have their Google Meet session on the left and their Kahoot game board at kahoot.it on the right. I like to begin my Kahoot sessions by playing a tutorial video so that no student is wasting their time. While the student is waiting for their classmates to sign on to Google Meet and to join the Kahoot game, they get to watch a tutorial video on the topic they're about to have a Kahoot game on. So once the teacher is ready to begin, the Kahoot session gets to play. So the student is seeing what I'm presenting from home on the left side of their screen, and then they're going to get to choose their answer choices using the right. So the question is displayed from my screen, the student sees the question and chooses their answer. They get immediate feedback on whether they answered the question correctly or incorrectly, and then they get to see how well the rest of their classmates are doing. As we go to the second question, again, I'm displaying this left side from home, so the student is seeing what I'm displaying from home. They get to read and answer the question, and then again get immediate feedback. This time the student was incorrect. They get some encouraging words, and then they could look at the screen that I'm presenting to see that the correct answer choice would have been blue. At the end of the game, the teacher could use this very helpful summary page. Kahoot gives you the option to play this exact Kahoot game again after you've provided some intervention, and hopefully your class can improve your scores. Kahoot helps you provide that intervention by telling you which questions your class had difficulty on. For this particular game, my class had difficulty on 3 questions, such as number 9. Only 9% of my class answered that question correctly. Kahoot also helps you group some students. They tell me the names of some students who have not been performing well as the students who aren't answering the questions in time. The time is being played out and they're running out of time before they've even answered questions. So this would be another group of students for me to provide intervention in another way. Thank you very much for watching this Kahoot tutorial and learning how to use Kahoot even from home through distance learning.